Whirlpool Refrigerator Model WRT549SZDM repairs. Easily access your favorite foods with this Whirlpool WRT549SZDM 19.2 cubic feet top freezer refrigerator, which features a flexi slide bin, humidity-controlled crispers and 3 wall-to-wall FRA. Repairs. For the home, kitchen and beyond, Whirlpool manufactures appliances that homeowners have come to trust. Even a trustworthy appliance requires occasional maintenance or repair, however. If you're in need of Whirlpool appliance repair from experienced professionals, your local appliance helper can help. Whirlpool refrigerator not cooling.